In the vast realm of e-commerce, two platforms reign supreme: Shopify and Stan Store. Let's take a journey into this digital marketplace, starting with Shopify, a renowned platform known for its user-friendly interface and extensive customization options. Shopify's appeal lies in its ability to cater to businesses of all sizes, from fledgling startups to established enterprises, boasting a user base in the millions. Now let's shift our focus to Stan Store, a worthy contender in the e-commerce space. Stan Store sets itself apart with an intuitive interface that makes setting up an online store a breeze, even for novices. Its extensive library of professionally designed templates and competitive pricing structure make it a viable option for entrepreneurs looking to make their mark in the digital world. While both platforms are highly rated, the choice between Shopify and Stan Store often comes down to individual needs and preferences. Now let's delve deeper into Shopify, a platform revered by many for its robust features. At the heart of Shopify's appeal is its comprehensive SEO capabilities. This feature allows businesses to climb the ranks of search engine results, thus increasing their visibility and potential for higher sales. Additionally, Shopify offers round-the-clock customer support, a critical lifeline for businesses that operate beyond the 9-to-5 grind. Shopify also shines with its seamless integration with various payment gateways, offering flexibility for both businesses and their customers. However, no platform is without its drawbacks. Shopify has been known to levy high transaction fees for non-Shopify payments, which can eat into profit margins. There's also a somewhat steep learning curve for beginners. The multitude of features, while beneficial, can be overwhelming for those just starting out in the e-commerce world. Shopify, with its extensive features and capabilities, can be a powerful tool for seasoned sellers, but may pose some challenges for novices. On the other side of the coin, we have Stan Store, a platform known for its user-friendliness and affordability. Stan Store is a hit among beginners with its easy-to-navigate interface and straightforward setup process. It's like a breath of fresh air for those who don't want to wrestle with complex functionalities. Furthermore, Stan Store's affordable pricing plans are a boon for small businesses and startups. And let's not forget their customer service. Always ready, always responsive. However, no platform is perfect. Stan Store, for instance, falls short in the customization department. It doesn't offer as many design options as some of its competitors, which could be a turnoff for those seeking a unique online presence. Moreover, its SEO capabilities are not as robust, potentially affecting your site's visibility and organic traffic. For those seeking affordability and simplicity, Stan Store could be the ideal choice, despite its limitations in certain areas. So, Shopify or Stan Store? The answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. Let's recap our journey so far. Shopify, a giant in the e-commerce realm, boasts advanced features and a robust infrastructure. Its scalability makes it a go-to for businesses of all sizes. However, it's not the most affordable option, and its ease of use could be improved. On the other hand, we have Stan Store, an emerging contender. It offers a more affordable solution, with a user-friendly interface that's perfect for beginners. Its customer support is highly praised, though it may lack some of the advanced features found on Shopify. Truth be told, the choice between Shopify and Stan Store boils down to your specific business needs and priorities. If you're after advanced features and scalability, Shopify is your guy. If affordability and ease of use top your list, consider Stan Store. In the end, both Shopify and Stan Store have their strengths and weaknesses. Your perfect e-commerce platform is the one that best meets your unique business needs and aspirations.